How to fix TikTok not working issue in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. For checking your internet connection, open any browser and search any website. Now here you can see my internet connection works properly. After checking your internet connection, then go back to your home screen and here you can see settings. Now click on it. If you turn on your VPN, then turn it off. After turning off your VPN, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then click on general and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then delete your TikTok and reinstall your TikTok. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.